SUI versus Solana. This is something that I think a lot of people have been talking about lately. I want to explore this for myself right now in this video, as over the last 7 days, SUI is the top percentage gaining token in the top 100 cryptocurrencies by market cap. And it is having a nice recovery to the upside, but there are some articles coming out saying that it might have some more downside from here. Is that something that's true? Or can we expect something different out of SUI? Because there are some facts that I want to look at with you today. And let's be truthful about this. When you're looking at getting into crypto and you've been in crypto for a long time and you're looking to pick your next investment, pick something to make some gains on, you're looking for the next big thing. Most people aren't buying that big project. Most people aren't really chasing down Bitcoin. Of course, Bitcoin's always great to have some and accumulate that, especially in bear markets. But when this bull market really kicks off, people are looking for altcoins. And I know a lot of people are looking for the next Solana, and SUI could just be that. So we got to talk about it. And I want to discuss whether or not I think SUI is going to go up or down from here in the short term, and then what comes next for SUI, because I believe that we could actually see a $30 SUI token. Yes, I actually believe that. And so I want to talk about this in this video and explain exactly why in the long run, maybe even in 2025, we could see a $30 SUI token. Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm Crypto Kip. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. Please know nothing I say in these videos is financial advice. You got to do your own due diligence, but let's talk about SUI and explore the blockchain a little bit and see what the next big Solana play might be. It could be SUI, guys. Looking at SUI right now, it is ranked number 18 in all of crypto. It never existed before this bull market, and it came out and really had a lot of excitement as of late. As you can see, over the last 7 days, it's come up 13%. But if you really look at the chart for SUI, I'll come back to that in a second. If you really look at the chart for SUI token, what you will see is that this thing is actually coming back from a big drop that it had. Matter of fact, SUI broke through a key target that we've been talking about, $2, but I did say very clearly that $2 is going to be tough resistance. We're going to turn that resistance into support. We're going to be playing around this $2 level for a while. I gave you guys some targets on how low we could go. We said if you came back down below this $1.90 area, we could come a little bit lower, and we only stopped the bleeding at about $1.60. And so again, from this recent low that we had, we are up, a good 18% or so from this recent little dip that we had. And so the question is, are we going to continue to see moves to the downside, or are we going to see continuation to the upside? These are the weekly candles for SUI, so we are seeing a little bit of reversal to the upside, and that is not surprising to me. What is surprising to me is coming out and seeing articles like this by whatever publication this is, CoinSpeaker. Will SUI price see strong correction as investor interest fades? Question for you guys to leave in the comments down below. Is the investor interest really fading? What they're really talking about here is the overall market. If you look at Bitcoin right now, what we're really seeing is just a hesitation moment. You guys know we've been stuck in this range for like 230 days. We broke out of this range recently. And what we're seeing right now is actually very bullish, in my opinion, for Bitcoin, which I think is going to translate to bullish moves for coins like SUI and Solana inevitably. The reason I say this is because we broke out of this range we were stuck in for 230 days, got close to the previous highs, rejected off that. Now we are going to retest the top of this range. This range was very critical. This whole area right in here where we were for 230 days, this was a huge time. This was a long stretch of time. Now and these are the daily candles, if we can see Bitcoin have a beautiful bounce off the top of this range, which is something that we were saying was possible for a while now on this channel, then what we could see is a bounce and continuation to the upside. And honestly, we could take new highs. Maybe we have a couple games where we're playing in here for a little bit, but we could take new highs relatively soon. Now, what a lot of people have been eyeballing, myself included, is just the facts that when you look at the percentage returns for Bitcoin on average in November, you're looking at 42% gains on average. And right now we are down in the month of November. And that doesn't really make sense for the average returns we've had. Also, coming into the presidential election, after a presidential election, Bitcoin likes to rally. Also, we are in a post-halving year where Bitcoin likes to rally. So things are truthfully looking bullish. And so this whole idea of investor interest fading, it's a temporary panic, kind of fearful state as Bitcoin's testing on our key ranges. No, I do not think that SUI price is going to see a strong correction if Bitcoin keeps going up, and I personally believe that Bitcoin will keep going up. Now, I could be wrong, guys. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. But if we look at the facts and the data that we've seen in the past, it suggests that Bitcoin's going to go up and to the right, and big altcoin projects are probably likely to follow. If you want to trade SUI coin or any coins for yourself, you can sign up for Blowfin using our link. It's pinned in the comment section for you guys. Free money when you sign up. If you want to take advantage of that sign-up bonus when you trade in the futures account for Blowfin. Leverage trading is a great tool. It can be very risky, so please, do your research, set your stop losses, take some profit, guys. But what do I think comes next for SUI? Well, let me just jump right over to this. Here's an idea. Dogecoin, a meme coin about a dog, got to an $88 billion market cap. SUI coin, which a lot of people are comparing to Solana as of late, is actually faster than Solana, guys. And let's just zip to the facts here. Here are the transactions per second on SUI network at 297,000 transactions per second, and all the other big blockchains out there. Here's Ethereum with 30 transactions per second. There's Binance with 160 transactions per second. You have Solana with 65,000 transactions per second. And then you have SUI network, which is like 5 times faster than Solana, and much faster, hundreds of X faster than Ethereum. So could SUI be the next Solana? Well, the real key here is, are people using this blockchain? Well, if we look over at DeFi Llama, which is where you can see all the different chains in crypto and what's getting a lot of volume and how much money's locked up in an ecosystem, SUI is right now top 10 in terms of DeFi. And again, this coin came out of nowhere. And so it's absolutely blasting off. It's skyrocketing. I would say it's the next hottest blockchain next to Solana. Avalanche at one point was that. I don't really think that people are as excited about Avalanche right now as they are of SUI. I think that Caspa has been that. I think people right now are more excited about SUI than they are Caspa. Why do I think this? Well, I've been looking at SUI climb. SUI is absolutely climbing in TVL, and there's a lot of people talking about it on Twitter, a lot of people talking about it on YouTube, and community is everything, hype is everything. There's a lot of hype behind SUI. And if Bitcoin's truly going to break into a parabolic bull market rally, then I only really see SUI getting more total value locked up in its ecosystem. And on top of that, there was a little bit of a Memecoin mania that was going on there for a second on SUI. When you go to Dex Screener, which is a great place to look at different altcoins and meme coins within the different blockchains like Solana, Ethereum, Basechain, SUI is right here. The SUI blockchain's right here. There's a lot of meme coins. There's some Sudang was a kind of copycat of the Moodang token. At one point, the Sudang token was higher than the Moodang token on Solana. And so SUI is clearly showing some strength because people clearly see that there's a lot of transactions per second on this network. I think there's a lot of venture capital behind SUI as well, and there's a lot of hype. And I do think that, and actually, let's take a peek at this really quickly. If we look at SUI right now, and we see what exchanges is on, it's already on Binance, it's already on Coinbase, it's already on a lot of the big exchanges, and so that enables a lot of volume to fly into this thing rather quickly. The big players in this market, the big exchanges, have already said, yes, this is a well-established blockchain. Caspa, a lot of people are bullish on that. Caspa still doesn't have exchange listings. Now, you could say that that's an extremely bullish thing for Caspa, that the exchange listings are going to be bull market catalysts for that coin, which I do think that's the case. But I will say right now, SUI, in terms of TVL, in terms of hype, in terms of conversations about the meme coins, there's just more going on. If you were to have bought Solana early, and you were early to Solana, which at the time was one of the fastest blockchains out there, one of the most exciting, you could have made a ton of money. And I think it's reasonable to say that SUI, just like Solana did, is a contender that could flip Dogecoin. Because Dogecoin, at the end of the day, is just a meme coin, and SUI is a blockchain with tremendous transactions per second, with a growing community. And this is all happening as we're going into a potential parabolic bull market rally, which I anticipate is coming very, very soon. Again, looking at the price of Bitcoin, I think we're going to get a bounce here. If we do, then as for price targets for SUI, I think we see continuation to the upside. Now, we could be stuck in this $2 range for a while. These are key levels for SUI, but I'm going to say this. If Bitcoin can get this bounce and move to the upside, SUI coin is going to head a lot higher. And I don't think that it's far-fetched to think that SUI coin at one point could go 16x from here, could achieve a $30 price level and flip the previous all-time high market cap for Dogecoin. Do you agree with this? Do you disagree with this? Let me know in the comments down below. I do have some positions in some of the meme coins on SUI. Let me know what your favorite meme coins on SUI are. Do you have any SUI tokens at all? Let me know in the comments down below. That's all I got for you in this one, guys. If you want to trade SUI, again, you can check out Blowfin. Sign up using our link in the description down below. Until next time, I am Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Smash a like, subscribe to the channel. DCA, HODL. Do your own research, guys. Nothing's financial advice here. Please smash a like. I'll see you next time, y'all. 2 videos here if you want to check it out. I'll see you next time. Peace, guys.